Hello again, this is another commissioned work to weather this wagon. It's an old Athearn blue box model. You can see the box below it here. At least I think it is, because this box isn't for this wagon. It does feel a little bit light, this, and there's no manufacturer's mark underneath it, so let's go with Athearn. You'll notice it has knuckle couplers, or at least on one end it does and the other it doesn't, so I'm going to add that on as part of this job. I'm really quite impressed with how good the transfer is over the ridge here. It's actually something really difficult to get right, but whoever made this, let's go with Athearn, has done a really good job there. So in this video I'll be weathering up this wagon, giving it some rust and a little bit of graffiti as well, not too much. And we're also going to paint the inside of this because the owner are going to put a load in themselves, so I'll have to weather it up instead of putting something like coal or whatever. But it should be quite an easy job, I think. So the first thing as usual, I'll be putting down the cutting mat and taking off these bogies, and then we'll get started. And as usual, I'll put on some music. If you don't like it, just press the pause button. But if you want me to weather your wagons, just scan the QR code that you see on screen just now, and you can send me an email, or it's in the channel header of this channel on YouTube. And get in touch, and I might be weathering your wagons next. But for now, let's get on with this one, and we'll see how we go.